Hi, I'm Anna Kahn.
And I'm Denise Wallenstein, and we're with Brown Harris Stevens.
Today we're pleased to show you 9 East 97th Street, apartment 1AB, in the heart of Carnegie Hill, just steps to Central Park off Fifth Avenue.
This beautiful home at Hortense Court Cooperative is perfectly situated mid-block between Madison Avenue and Fifth Avenue, in the heart of Carnegie Hill, within Museum Mile and just 300 feet from Central Park. Gilded Age elegance meets modern opulence in this one-of-a-kind townhouse-style home, featuring 3+ bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a host of luxurious, distinctive amenities. This residence offers an exceptional living experience. The main level features generously sized side-by-side living and dining areas, highlighted by the turn-of-the-century decorative fireplace, perfect for entertaining and gathering. The windowed chef's kitchen is outfitted with top-of-the-line German appliances, including a Gaggenau stovetop and oven, along with Miele appliances, German safety-secure French kitchen doors open to the home's private backyard. 3 bedrooms are located on the main level, each accessible through the gallery. 2 of the bedrooms feature floor-to-ceiling closets with abundant storage. There are 2 full-size bathrooms, and on the main level, both are equipped with full bath and a shower. Old world charm awaits in the lower level, where a beautiful gathering area features infrared heating, exposed wood beam ceilings, a stone accent wall, safety-secure German windows and glass French doors, which also lead to the outdoor space. Tranquility extends to the home's spa-like bathroom, complete with radiated heated floors, a wood sauna, and exposed wood beams. A Miele washer and dryer are neatly tucked away, and there is a versatile multi-purpose room to complete the space. This home can easily be split into 2 separate units, as it was originally designed as adjoining apartments. It features a separate entry and second kitchen, making it ideal for a guest suite or independent living space.
Thank you so much for joining us today at 9 East 97th Street, apartment 1AB.
Please contact us for more information or a private viewing of this lovely home.